My name's Amanda and I'm so excited to be unboxing your January Teacher Care Crate this month, so let's dive into all the fun. When you receive your Teacher Care Crate, you are going to be greeted with your info card, and this month's theme is Positively Perky with all these fun designs that are both colorful but also black and white, and it was designed by Perks of an Educator, who's such a dear friend. I can't wait to show you all the fun that comes inside this, but don't forget to stay to the very end because I'm also going to show you all the fun digital downloads that you get access to this month. So let's dive right in. You are going to be greeted with your art print of the month. This box says the one that says stay perky, positive, patient, and kind. Keep it for your collection or write a special note to someone and start your 2025 with such a fun kindness note. You're going to love this new one for all you teachers out there. It's this gorgeous teacher hat. I love the green plus the beautiful embroidered teach letters in all these different colors. This is such a fun one for your field trips and field days this year. I can't wait to use this one. You're also going to get some positive perky thoughts, so some positive stickers. These are perfect for your student work, your teacher planner. It says things like, you got this, I'm proud of you. I love this one. This is so sweet. Plus, you're going to add some new bracelets to your collection. You have this beautiful gold one that says Teach, Inspire, and this gorgeous apple one as well. So fun to add to your collection. You're gonna get a brand new coffee koozie. This one says just a little perk me up with all these cute different colored push pins. Perfect for keeping your drink cold. You're also going to love this correction tape set, perfect for your teacher desk. I can't believe you get two. This is such a fun one to add to your collection. I can't wait to use this. Plus, of course, after all the dryness of your skin this month and the cold, you're going to get some brand new beauty tools. You're gonna get this rose petal mud mask for calmness, plus green tea mud mask for purifying. So fun that comes in all the January thing in the box this month. Plus, you have all your fun digital downloads. So let me show you. You're gonna get a brand new January calendar. You can print it color, black and white, plus your weekly planner. You're also gonna get a new bulletin board set that you can use all throughout the year. You have this fun printable border that you can use and the fun lettering. You're also gonna get some fun printables like this 2025 New Year goals for your students to complete, a fun 3D disco ball to make for your classroom, and of course some other fun student printables that you can use this year. I can't wait for you to get your January box, but don't forget to like and subscribe and come back for your February unboxing. Thank you, have a great day.